Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. This tip is about picking up screws or nails that you've dropped using a magnet, which is the easy way. Say I've got a pile of screws or nails on my shop floor, I could just easily use a magnet, pick them all up. And it also works if the screws or magnets are inside some debris. For an easier job, combine the magnet with a sandwich bag, and then you can flip it inside out and keep all of the screws or nails. This makes it easier to either collect them and throw them away or collect them and keep them, and it keeps your magnet clean because you can just flip it inside out and pull the magnet right off. I hope this tip helps save you time in the shop, and I've linked to this bar magnet in the description if you want to buy them yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.